we are talking about Python casting, so which means we can convert data types as we require. So for example, if we go here, x equal to 20, y equal to 30, and we go z equal to 40. So if we go print all of them out like x, and if we go print y, and if we go and print z, so what happens here now, you can see it comes 10, 20, 30, 40, but we don't know what data type is it. So if you want to find out the data type, as we mentioned previously, we just need to write type and x. Same thing here, we're going to go print type, and we need to write y, and if you go in here, print type and z. So if you print this one out, now you can see it shows us what data type is it. So the first one, 20, is integer, the second 30 is y is integer, and the 40 is integer as well. So what we can do, we can actually change the data type. For example, here is 20. All we have to do, if we want to make it like, see at the moment it's only straight numbers, 20, like a round numbers, 30, 40, but if you want to make them into a decimal point, so then we can go like a more accurate, then you can just go float, and then you can just see that one. So you see this one, it comes 20.0 because then it comes like a float number, and you see that the data type class already changed to float as well. So the same thing we can do here as well, float, and we can do here a float, and that's it. So now you see all of them, we change them from integer, before they were integer, and we change them to a float, so they all come to 30.0, 40.0. Same thing we can do is we can just convert them to a string, all of them. So if you're going to continue, so now you see it comes 20, it comes same thing, it's 20, but it's now it's a string. Again, this one is a string, again this one is a string. So yeah, that's all. That is you call casting in Python, and yeah, that's all. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.